Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can delete chat on your Instagram. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do is going to the Instagram direct message right here, and then after that you have to select the room chat or the chat that you want to delete. And for example, I'm just going to select this chat, so we can tap and hold on the chat like this until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to click on delete, then just click on this delete option. Okay, and now the chat has been deleted, and if you want to delete another chat, you can simply repeat the same step that I have told you before. So for example, I'm going to delete this chat, tap and hold on the chat, click on delete, and click on delete option again. Okay, and alright guys, that's the way to delete our Instagram chat. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on another video.